This short video explains how you can add your business to the Derby Choice website. We're going to use an example of a physio based in Pride Park called Pride Park Physio. So the first thing you need to do is click the yellow Add Your Business link. There's some links to guidelines here which are worth clicking and reading through, but when you're happy, click on the Register Now button. You'll then be taken to a form where you need to add a username. So I'm going to call my username Physio Pride Park. My email as well, so this needs to be an email that you can pick up. And enter the code as well. This stops spammers. Once you click the register button, you'll then need to wait for an email which should be sent within a minute, and I'll wait now. Right, the email has arrived. It looks something like this. So there's going to be your username and a password. The password will be a series of letters and numbers, so it's worth copying those into your clipboard because you're going to need those to log in. The username is Physio Pride Park and that's my password, so when you're happy with that, click on the link underneath, or if you want to do, what you can do is you can click on the provider sign-in link on the website. So the username was Physio Pride Park. The password, because I copied it in my clipboard, I can just paste it in here and click login, and you'll be taken then into a dashboard. So this dashboard, when it loads up, is where you actually add all your business details. So the first thing you need to do is click on the Add New Provider Listing. So that's right at the top. To add a new provider listing, click here. So click on that link. And this really long form is where you're going to add all of your business details. So things like your name, your names of your business partners, summary of your business, etc., etc. There's plenty of help on the page as well in these yellow boxes. The really important thing to note is that you really do need to keep saving your work as you go along using this blue save button on the right. Okay, so in this case my business is Pride Park Physio, that's my business name. I then put all the names of the business partners in here, so Mark Hammond, etc., etc. Short summary of your business, full description, so this might take you a while to run through. Again, make sure that you click this blue save button, because if you don't and you leave this page, you'll lose any work that you've done. You'll also see that you can actually add a logo as well under the logo section, and you can add photos as well. So these photos, you can upload these to the website. Again, there's lots of reminders to save your work as you're going through in these yellow boxes. And you can always come back later. As long as you save your work, you can always log in again and come back and add more information. Once you've finished and you're happy, what you have to then do is make sure you finish the declaration. So you've got to tick all the tick boxes that are listed, enter the date, and then you need to submit it to us for review. Now this process involves you clicking the link at the bottom. It says once saved, you can then click here to submit your profile to our website administrator. So you can click that link, or if you want to, the same link is actually right at the top of the page, so you need to click on this. So this will give you a form, and then you need to add your name, so I'll just say Mark, your email, etc., your business name. So this is very important that you do this stage, and then a message to us if you want, and add a code as well. Click on send, and that will then, you'll see your message was sent successfully. That will then send an email to the Derby Choice administrator, who will then be able to look through your listing and will get back to you as to whether it's been approved.